Morphologic feature of crown of tooth vary according to shape and size of the head. The length of crown differ with the size and gender of the person, and it is generally shorter in female and in males. External morphology of tooth vary from person to person, so does not internal morphology of the crown and root. Changes in pulp anatomy result from age, disease, and trauma. Although morphologic variations occurs, clinical experience indicates that these changes usually follow a general pattern. Result के person to person. Does internal morphology of the crown and root changes in pulp cavity morphology of the crown and root changes in pulp cavity anatomy result from age, disease and trauma. Although morphologic variations हो गया जैसे कि occurs, clinical experiences indicates that these changes usually follow a general pattern. Thus the study of pulp cavity morphology is an important undertaking. Pulp space हो गया जैसे देखो कि pulp space is the central cavity within a tooth and it is entirely enclosed by dentin except at the apical foramen. The pulp space may be divided into following parts जैसे कि एक coronal portion pulp chamber, a radicular portion root canal. रेडिकुलर पोर्शन जो होता है उसको हम रूट कैनाल बोलते हैं और कोरोनल पोर्शन जो होता है उसको हम पल्प चैम्बर बोलते हैं. पल्प चैम्बर में आते हैं तो इन एंटीरियर टूथ द पल्प चैम्बर ग्रेजुअली मर्जेस इनटू द रूट कैनाल. तो एंटीरियर टूथ जो होता है इसमें पल्प चैम्बर जो होता है वो ग्रेजुअली मर्ज होता है इनटू द रूट कैनाल एंड डिवीजन बिकम्स डिस्टिंक्ट. मल्टी रूटेड टीथ द पल्प स्पेस कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ सिंगल पल्प चैम्बर एंड यूजुअली द थ्री रूटेड कैनाल्स. Although the number of canals can vary from 1 to 4 or more, roof of the pulp chamber consists of dentine covering the pulp chamber occlusally or incisally. Pulp horn is an suturation of the roof of the pulp chamber directly under the cusp and developmental lobe. The term refers more commonly to the prolongation of the pulp itself directly under the cusp. Pulp itself directly under the cusp. Floor of the pulp chamber runs parallel to the roof of consists of dentine bounding the pulp chamber near the cervical area of the tooth, particularly dentine forming an furcation area. The coronal orifices. Canal orifices are opening in the floor of pulp. The canal orifices are opening in the floor of the pulp chamber, leading into uh, to the canals. The canal orifices are not separated structure, but are continuous with both pulp chamber and root canal. The wall of the pulp chambers derive their names from the corresponding walls of the tooth surface, such as the buccal wall of the pulp chamber. The angle of a pulp chamber derive their names from the wall forming the angle, such as mesiobuccal angle of the pulp chamber. Root canals हो गया. The root canals is the portion of pulp space from the canal orifices to the apical foramen. For convenience, it may be divided into three sections, namely coronal, middle, and apical third. Accessory canal or lateral canals are lateral branching of the main root canal, generally occurring in the apical third or furcation area of a root. Lateral canal is an unnecessary canal. Branches to lateral surface of the root may be visible on radiograph. Apical foramen is an aperture or at or near the apex of the root through which the blood vessel and nerves of the pulp center layer of the pulp cavity. Accessory foramen are the openings of the accessory and lateral canal in the root surfaces. A straight root canal extending in the entire length of the root is uncommon. Either a constriction is present before the apex is reached or is often the case. Curvature present. The curvature may be a straight canal extending the minimum apical curvature. The gradual curvature of the root canal with a straight apical ending. A gradual curvature of the entire canal with a sharp curvature of the canal near the apex. A curvature of about 20 degree in the narrow root canal may be difficult or even possible to negotiable. इसमें देखो अब विट्रियस क्लासिफिकेशन हो गया जैसे कि क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन द कोरोनल सेक्शन हो गया, जैसे अकॉर्डिंग टू जीव एट अल कैनाल वेरी बेस्ड ऑन देयर एनाटॉमी क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया राउंड हो गया, राउंड ओवल लॉन्ग ओवल फ्लैटेंड एंड इरेगुलर। किम एट हैव क्लासिफाई इस्तेमस टू द फॉलोइंग कैटेगरीज हो गया, जैसे कि टाइप 1 हो गया फ्रंट फेंट कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन टू कैनाल्स, टाइप 2 हो गया कंप्लीट इस्तेमस विद ए डेफिनेट कनेक्शन बिटवीन टू कैनाल्स, complete or incomplete between two more canals. A apical foramen हो गया young incompletely developed tooth. The apical foramen is funnel shaped with wider portion extending outward. The mouth of the funnel is filled with periodontal tissues, that is the layer replaced by dentinal cementum. As the root developed by the apical foramen becomes narrower. The study have to lead to the recommendation that root canal obturation should end approximately 0.5 to 1 millimeter short of the anatomic root apex as seen in the radiograph. It is not necessary to shape clean for field root canals to their anatomic apices, but rather to their cemento-enamel junctions, which usually lie within a canal just short of apex. Knowledge of the age at which a calcification of the root apex occurs is essential for endodontic practices, particularly when dealing with pulp involvement and pulpless teeth of children. Young person as a general rules